This is the worst one yet. Oh.
Abandonados aquí sin poder trabajar.
Millions of U.S. residents found themselves in the epicenter of a powerful winter storm, which experts have called one of the strongest in the past 10 years. On Monday, January 6th, the storm brought heavy snowfall, freezing rain, strong winds, and extremely low temperatures.
This is even ice, buddy.
Oh, I wish it was winter. You can have it.
The storm was not only devastating but also deadly. According to the U.S. National Weather Service, it claimed the lives of at least 4 people. Winter storm warnings were issued for states from Kansas and Missouri to New Jersey. Heavy snowfalls affected areas stretching from the Ohio Valley to the Mid-Atlantic region. Several states declared states of emergency, and authorities strongly urged people to stay home and avoid unnecessary travel as the storm continued its destructive path.
So me and my father went outside to dig me out, and that's what we did, and here we are.
Okay, I did a second pass. Got the driveway clean, just in time for the sleet and freezing rain to start falling hard.
In Topeka, Kansas, 14.1 inches of snow were recorded, marking the 3rd largest snowfall in the city's history.
Like about 14.
14. Goodness sakes.
This is a rare blizzard for Kansas City, meteorologist Gary Lezak noted.
Time to head into work, and nope, I'm going back inside.
Mom, know those lights? I can't see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, today is a terrible day for us here in Maryland. You can see right in front of my door, there's no way for us to go to work.
Many major highways were blocked due to snow and ice.
It's here. Winter is here.
Over the weekend, numerous traffic accidents occurred in Virginia, Indiana, Kansas, and Kentucky.
ice here.
Okay, so
This is sheets of ice. Look at that there. Hector's not even making a footprint on it. He's standing on 12 inches.
On Sunday, more than 1,700 drivers in Missouri were stranded due to hazardous road conditions. In Kansas, a fire truck and several semi-trailers overturned on icy roads, while other vehicles struggled to navigate, causing prolonged traffic jams.
Send this out to some family.
On Monday, more than 300,000 residents from Missouri to Virginia were left without power.
shoveling out to here, and my plan, I thought I was gonna make a tunnel.
Thick ice, snow, and strong winds brought down trees and damaged power lines, exacerbating the storm's impact.
Screened in. It's snowing through the screen. The snow is so sideways.
These events once again highlight the growing threat posed by climate change. Winter storms are becoming increasingly dangerous and unpredictable. Urgent and decisive action is needed to prevent further destruction and protect lives. You can learn more about ways to address climate issues at the Global Crisis, the Responsibility Forum.